What do you want to do today?
Collect pippies and get big fish.
Big fish? What kind of fish?
Flathead, whiting,
Nice.
and all types of fish.
Are you going to show us how to do it?
Yeah,
All right. Shall we get our stuff together?
yeah.
What all do we have to pack?
Fishing rods, stuff like that.
All right. Let's do it, huh?
Today, we are going to the beach and exploring. We are gonna go fishing, surfing, and all that stuff. And we are gonna catch big fish and good waves. And we are in Australia. And my name is called Soul. And then that's Krista.
Hello. Here's my hand. Hi.
And then my dad's back there somewhere. And here's my dad.
You.
And then this is our driveway. And all more stuff. So, look at the beach now. Say hello, guys. Hey. Hey. And this is the beach. Look at that wave. Look at that wave at the back. That looks good out there for very good weather, guys. This is my friend Arlo. Yeah. That was so good weather, guys. It's still going. Why don't you keep on saying guys, guys, guys? Whoever is watching this, can you please subscribe? Subscribe. And like. And the God is still going, guys.
What up, homie?
We're doing a YouTube channel. Say hello.
Hello. Where are you going?
That's Chris and that's Max. That was our friend.
Soul's godfather.
Very nice. He's my little brother's godfather. Yeah, my godfather. It's his godfather. Yeah. And we bring a friend over with us. He's my friend. Best friend. Best friend. We are going to get some. We just skipped so many pippies. We're going to get like 1,000 pippies. Yeah, I just saw. But there were billions of. There were literally billions and thousands of pippies. Yeah, there were. So let's go get some pippies. I'm gonna go search for pippies. If you see these, dig them up. You could use them for bait, for eating, and these. There's one. We got two. In one single one. Another one. Huh? And here's some. If you see any of these, you have to dig them up. You can dig with your bare hands, or he's just doing it with a whale cup. So you find the little cup, and if them look like these, them are pippies. Yeah, good pippies. You can use them for bait. Good bait. We can It doesn't look like those big fish. It doesn't look like that or that or that. At this one, it looks like it's coming out. It's simple. It's simple to grab pippies because there's like thousands on Maine. Yeah. There's like a billion. Did you see something? Look. I just found one. Look at all that. I just found one. His tongue was just sticking out. Oh, it just peed. You see these? We need to stand up. You find them. And then well, the big monster's here, so it has 1 billion eyes! Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe! Guys, look at the monster. He's coming. And he's coming, guys! He's coming! He's coming! He's coming! He's coming! Ah! So, right now, we are trying to make a fire. And you know why we dug a hole underneath? Because, it gets air to make it on fire. Okay, guys? And we are trying to make this because we are gonna stay here for like hours and then
Cook our pippies.
Cook our pippies. And sausage. Collected some pippies. We use them for bread. We got mackerel and tuna. And I'm gonna go explore. Right, guys? You want me to see the surf? Okay, look. That's the surf. Very good. Catch barrels. And please subscribe. Okay? And you know, there's one deer on the island. She almost attacked us. Well, not anymore, he's not. We're tracking him down. Here's my friend Oakley. Ooh, I just found some stuff. So these, you can eat them. You can suck on them and give you water. And them are very good for you. Whoever watching this, please show to all your friends, because my name's called Soul. We are gonna know how to cut pippies.
Oh, good.
There's pippies in the fire.
I just used that as my plate.
Oh. You better go back and close the house. I'm gonna taste one of these. I'm getting a drink! No!
Isn't it
No!
strange to think about?
Picnics! Guys! Hello!
Hello, so. Hello.
Can somebody hold this? She can say Calvin.
I don't think Arlo eats cookies. Can you say Nelson?
She said Nini before. Nini? What's that?
It's fine.
That's poo!
No, it's just part of the cookie.
Where are we going?
That's Noni.
There we go! We on the way home now.
Thanks for joining.
Thanks for joining, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Subscribe.